At Hiya Group, we offer a unique business model that guides global companies operating in Turkey across architecture, technology, and consultancy. From interior architectural design to complete in-house production, we deliver integrated solutions, combining IT services and consultancy with advanced technological infrastructure under one roof. For every project, we provide a real-time tracking and reporting system that lets you monitor progress transparently from anywhere in the world. Daily updates with visuals are uploaded, and a comprehensive weekly report is prepared so you can clearly see the progress and exact completion date of your project. Our quality control process is fully transparent. From material delivery to installation and infrastructure work, you can see every stage. Nothing remains hidden. Every detail, from behind-the-wall applications to electrical systems, is documented with photos and detailed reports. In addition, we work with highly qualified teams that comply with occupational safety standards and reflect professionalism both on-site and in our corporate approach. Now it's your turn. Reach out to us and share this amazing experience.